So, dude, you got yourself a motorcycle.
Yeah.
What do you got? A rigid battery?
Yep.
What is this? A 500 watt controller?
Yeah.
Actually, it's 350 watts. Don't lie to the audience.
Yep, and it's got the hail and fast.
And then you got a hub motor in the back. And then you got a matching front wheel. And you got dirt bike fenders. Whoa! Look at that. It's a heck of an incline you're going up. Woohoo! Gotta get you some brakes. And wear out those shoes. Faster than you grow out of them. I knew you'd like it. Daddy's got a lot of these batteries. Look at that. You don't even have to use your feet going up.
Let me use it up.
Yeah, you just use up that whole battery.
Dad, you hold it up for me?
What are you gonna do?
You hold it up.
Gotta hold it up?
Yep.
Okay. Whoa! Look at that.
It's working.
It is working. Listen to that motor sing, buddy.
This one's up and down.
Do you kind of understand how it works?
Yep.
That's pretty cool. All right.
Down. We'll drive it up here.
Let me straighten this up for you. All right, there you go.
Hold up, Dad.
Very good. See, when you get used to this, that actually can go faster.
I take it up.
That's awesome.
I take it up. You hold it up for me?
Okay.